What if I told you that a coin worth only 25 cents could actually be hiding a value that most people never notice? Take a close look at this 1977 Washington quarter. At first glance, it looks old, worn out, and completely ordinary. Most people would probably spend it without thinking twice. But what if that was a huge mistake? Every year, rare coin collectors search through thousands of coins looking for hidden treasures. Some of these coins appear completely normal, yet they end up selling for hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. The shocking part is that many of these valuable coins were once sitting in someone's pocket, coin jar, or forgotten drawer. So the big question is this: could this 1977 quarter be one of them? Before you answer, there's something you need to know. In the world of coin collecting, value is not always determined by age. Just because a coin is old doesn't automatically make it valuable. Instead, collectors look for specific details, tiny details that most people never notice. A small mint mark, an unusual strike, a rare production error, or even a unique condition can completely change the value of a coin, and that's exactly why this coin deserves a closer look. Today, we're going to investigate every detail of this 1977 Washington quarter. We'll examine its design, history, rarity, and the hidden features that collectors search for. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this coin is simply worth 25 cents or if it could be worth much more. But here's where things get interesting. Many people have unknowingly spent valuable coins because they didn't know what to look for. Imagine finding out that a coin you used to buy a snack years ago could have been worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It sounds unbelievable, but it has happened before. That's why you should watch this video until the very end, because later, we'll reveal the key signs that separate an ordinary quarter from a potentially valuable collector's item. Some of these clues are so small that most people miss them completely. And if you happen to own old coins at home, what you're about to learn could completely change the way you look at your collection. So grab your magnifying glass. Take one more look at this 1977 quarter and get ready, because this ordinary-looking coin may be hiding a story that very few people know. Now that we've taken a closer look at this 1977 Washington quarter, it's time to uncover what really determines whether a coin like this is ordinary or potentially valuable. The first thing collectors examine is the coin's condition. First, this might not seem important. After all, a quarter is a quarter, right? Not exactly. In the coin collecting world, condition can make a massive difference. Two coins with the exact same date can have completely different values simply because one was preserved better than the other. A coin that spent decades in circulation usually shows scratches, fading details, and worn edges. Meanwhile, a coin that remained untouched for years can still display sharp details that collectors love to see. Take a look at George Washington's portrait on this quarter. Notice the hair details, the facial features, and the lettering around the rim. These areas are often the first places where wear becomes visible. The clearer and sharper these details remain, the more attractive the coin becomes to collectors. But condition is only the beginning. The next thing experts look for is the mint mark. This tiny letter can completely change the story behind a coin. In 1977, Washington quarters were produced at different United States mint facilities. Depending on where the coin was struck, it may carry a specific mint mark. Some mint locations produced larger quantities than others. While certain varieties are more difficult to find today, this is where many people become excited, because sometimes a coin appears ordinary until someone notices a small detail near the date. Suddenly, what looked like an everyday coin becomes a much more interesting discovery. But the real treasure hunt begins when collectors search for mint errors. Mint errors are mistakes that occurred during the coin manufacturing process. These mistakes are accidental, but that's exactly what makes them fascinating. Imagine thousands of coins moving through powerful minting machines every hour. Occasionally something goes wrong. A die may become damaged. A strike may be off-center. Letters may appear doubled. Small details may be missing or shifted. Most errors are caught before coins enter circulation. Some are not. And when those error coins reach the public, collectors begin searching for them immediately. This is why experienced coin hunters inspect every coin carefully under magnification. They're not just looking at the date. They're looking for unusual characteristics that could separate an ordinary coin from a rare collectible. Now, here's something even more surprising. Many valuable coins don't look valuable at first glance. They don't shine like gold. They don't look dramatically different. In fact, some of the most sought-after coins appear almost identical to common examples. But that's why knowledge is often more valuable than luck. A person who understands what to look for can spot opportunities that everyone else overlooks. Imagine two people holding the exact same coin, because the coin you're looking at may be one of the most overlooked coins sitting in collections, drawers, and coin jars across America. At first glance, This looks like nothing more than a worn 1967 Washington quarter. Most people wouldn't think twice about it. In fact, many would spend it without a second thought. But what if that simple decision turned out to be a costly mistake? What if this ordinary-looking coin was hiding details that most people never notice? And what if those details could make the difference between a common quarter and a coin collectors are eager to find? Today, we're taking a closer look at a 1967 Washington quarter, a coin that has sparked curiosity among collectors for decades. Now here's where things get interesting. The year 1967 wasn't just another year in American coin history. It was a unique period when the United States Mint was dealing with enormous demand for coins. During this time, special production methods and unusual circumstances created a fascinating chapter in American numismatic history. And because of that, certain 1967 coins have become the focus of collectors searching for hidden treasures. But before we reveal why, look carefully at this coin. Notice the portrait of George Washington. Notice the date. Notice every tiny detail, because some of the most valuable discoveries start with details so small that most people never even see them. This is exactly why experienced collectors never rush when examining old coins. They know that a single overlooked feature can completely change a coin's story, and sometimes its value. Imagine finding a coin like this in an old family collection. At first, it seems ordinary. Then you begin researching. You compare it with other examples. You notice something unusual. Suddenly, a coin that appeared to be worth only 25 cents becomes far more interesting than anyone expected. Sounds unbelievable. It happens more often than you think. Every year, collectors search through thousands of quarters hoping to discover rare varieties, unusual errors, or exceptional examples that stand out from the crowd. Most never find one. But some do. And when they do, the results can be shocking. That's why today's investigation is so important. Because we're not just looking at a coin, we're uncovering a piece of history. A coin that has survived for decades. A coin that has traveled through countless hands. A coin that may still have secrets waiting to be discovered. But here's the part that nobody tells you. Many people own old coins without ever checking them properly. They assume old means common. They assume worn means worthless. And they assume every quarter is worth exactly 25 cents. Collectors know better, because in the world of rare coins, assumptions can be expensive. The truth is that tiny differences can separate an ordinary coin from a highly desirable collectible. And that's exactly what we're about to explore. So stay with me until the very end, because later in this video,